Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be working on this dresser. I'm taping off the top to keep it its original wood. I painted the sides of the dresser gray. It's almost like a gray whitewash. And here I am peeling off the tape and getting ready to stain the top. This is the stain color that I chose. And I just grab my little cloth and start applying the stain. The more you apply the stain, the darker it would get. I just applied one coat and was happy with the results. Look at that wood, looks really nice. And then here are the drawers. Just gonna remove the hardware and then start sanding it down. Here I am sanding everything. I then wipe everything down and stain as well. This was a fun project. This is the first time I left the drawers its natural color. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe, like, and share.